Hello students, today we are going to say about the unit 3. So under the unit 3 the first topic is the packages, access protection, and then how we are going to import these packages. So entire packages we are going to see about the Java packages, we can see about the unit 3. Okay, so what is package? So Java package is a group of similar type of classes, or it may be either interface, or it may be either the sub packages. So it is a similar type of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. There are two categories of packages will be there. One is the built-in packages, and one is the user-defined packages. Built-in packages means within the compiler itself it will have the built-in packages will be there, so we cannot change the built-in packages. Okay, and also user defined packages we can define our own and we can use that particular packages. So there are example for the built-in packages given as the Java language, AWT, Java X, Swing, .NET IO, utilities, SQL. So a lot of built-in packages has been example they have produced here. Okay, so advantages of the Java packages. Java package used to categorize the classes and interfaces. Okay, so it is to categorize the classes and interfaces so that that can be easily maintained. Yes, of course, based on this play, if it is categorized easily means we can manage easily. This is one of the advantages already seen in the unit one itself. So we can easily manageable. Another one is the access protection. So it provides the access protection and removes the naming collision. Same name will be there means it provides the naming collision. Okay. So this is the basic Java package. So under this one, this is the sub package. So sub package of Java. So this package it will comes under the built-in packages. Okay. And then classes will be the system.class, string, array, map, buttons. Lot of classes will be there that will comes under the sub packages. That will comes under the sub packages. Okay, simple Java program for the packages. So how we can create the package means by using the keyword is the package. So package keywords. This is the package, and this one is the package name. So this is a customized one. You can make it by your own. So package that should be followed by the package name. Okay, then have the class name. So within the before the class name only you have to create the own package. That is the main thing important. Public class simple, so within they have the main function, and then you can have some printing message welcome to the package. So how we can create package name, and then after that you have the class name and then main function, and it is going to printing some values under this packages. So this is known as a package example program for the package. So how we can compile this Java package means by using this directory name. So syntax is the Java C minus D, so it means the directory of the file name. Okay, next one, the simple dot Java. So how we can compile this thing means simple dot Java. So file name Java C minus D, simple dot Java. So D specifies the destination where we to put the generated class file. So that is the thing. So destination already we have defined in the destination file. So there are three ways to access the package, this package from the outside of the package. So how we can access the package from the another package. So in previous slides, we have created one package. Suppose I want to access the package from the another package. How we can do? There are three ways will be there. So one is the import package dot star. This is the first one. Second one is the import package dot class name, and then fully qualified name. You can see for the three things each examples you can easily understand. So using the package names dot star. So the star means that if you use the package star means then all classes and interfaces of this package will be accessible, but not sub package. Just keep remember, star indicates it is accessible to the all packages but not sub packages. The input keyword is used to make the class and interface of the another packages accessible to the current package. So you should know import. So import package name, which I want to access the package from the another, from one package to another package. We have to use, can see one example program. So consider this is the package one program. So package one, so package name, this is a pack, and then for the class name is the class A, that will comes under access protection public, and then you have the one method name, so that is known as a method message. So within the this method I am going to print the value of only the hello. Okay, next I am going to create the another package. So this another package name is the my pack. So this keep remember it should not be same package name. So it will get confusion. Okay. So package and then package name. This is the second package. In next line, I'm going to import this package to this program. Okay, so this program, another one, just keep put on a pause on that one. We'll complete this one and I can return back to here because the first main function will be executed, so that it will be coming through. Okay, public static create the class B. I'm going to create one main function. Within the main function, we create one object. So class name, for the class name is the from the package one class name only I have defined here, not for the class B. Okay, so A object equal to new of A. This class name, object name equal to new of your class name, and then object dot message. So object dot message means so this method will be accessible here. Actually, if you didn't import means you will get the error. Suppose you are going to import this package to in this package means so you will get the output like this a hello which is given in the package one. Okay, so this is the one way to create the package. Next one, second one, by using the package name dot class name. So in first one, using package name dot start. Okay. In second one, package name dot class name. So if we import the package name package dot class name, then only the declared class of this package only accessible. Suppose you have n number of packages in a single program. So among the n number of packages, I want to accessible only the few packages means I can go for this type of scenario. Okay, using package name dot class name. So package name and then which type of classes I am going to access, I can choose the that one. So coming to the example program. So this one's a program the same thing. So this is the package program one. So package name, the name package name is a pack. So inside we have the class, public class name is the A. So inside the class I have the one method, so it is a void message. So void message is going to print the name as the hello. Okay. So next one I'm going to create the another package. So another package is a my pack. So in that I'm going to import the pack.a. So it means actually what is the condition? Package name dot class name. Here package name is the pack. So package name is the pack and then class name is the A. So I'm going to access the only this whether suppose class A and then class C, class D like that a lot of packages will be there. So inside the I'm going to access only the class A data values only. So input package dot A. So next one is a class B. So for this second package classes class B, you have the main function. So you are going to create the one object name that will comes under the another package that is E object equal to new of E and then object dot message. So you will import this value means so you will get the output as only the hello. You will get the sorry hello. Okay, so this is the object you are getting. So this is the second method to access the your packages. Okay, so this is another an example they have given that is saved by yourself. So next one is the using fully qualified name. So if you use the fully qualified name, then only declared class of this package only accessible. Now there is no need to import, but if you use the fully qualified name means in every time when you are accessing the class or the interface. So now coming to here. So as usual, you will have the same class, same package class A, and then have the message method, and then have the inside the method. I'm going to print the hello. Okay. So this is the one thing. Will be remain the previous programs. So another one is the package name that is my pack. I am going to create the class. This is the class B. Have the main function. By using the fully qualified names, I am going to specifically access this object. So pack.a. So pack dot means a package name. A is the class name, and then this is your object name equal to new of your class name dot um, new of your package name dot class. So this is known as a fully qualified name. In this one, I have the method is the already given. So void message. So object dot message here. Object is the mentioned as a OBG, so you will get the output here also same output is the hello. So why I am getting the same program is you can easily understand. So that may have to the same program. You can easily understand the differences means you can understand the how we can how many ways to access these packages you can easily understand. So this is the entire thing we have given this scenario. Okay. Next one is the interfaces. So an interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. So an interface is a in Java blueprint of a class. It has a static, constant, and abstract methods. You can see one better example you can easily understand. So why we are using the Java interface? There are three main reasons are there. So why we are using to achieve the abstraction, and then by interface we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. Already I told in a unit 1 itself, whenever the while we see the concept of the inheritance concept, why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. By using interface we can achieve the thing, but doesn't mean it supports the multiple interface. So directly it is not supporting, indirectly by using the interface it is supporting. Okay, so it can be used to achieve loose coupling. Okay, so how we can declare the interface? So interface name, and then within the thing we have the constants, fields, declare the methods, abstract, and then by default. So by this way we can declare the interface. Now see the one example program. Which one I take? We can take this one. This is a simple one. So so this is the interface name. So interface name is a bank. So within this one, I'm going to create one method. So that will have the data type is a float, and then method is the rate of interest. So float of rate of interest. Next, I'm going to implement the class SBI implements back. So I'm going to implement the SBI from the bank. Okay. So within this, I'm having the one method name as the float. Rate of interest method is the return 9.15 float. Okay, you have to return the value. So this is the first interface. Second one, I'm going to create another interface. There's a PNB. So that will comes under this bank. So class PNB implements bank. So in this one, same rate of interest has been given as a method. So in the second interface, so PNB that implements the bank. So PNB is the second interface, so second that implements the bank. Okay, so here the rate of interest will be 9.7 float. Okay, it returns the rate of interest is 9.7. So now coming to the main function, you have the class name is the test interface 2. So we have the main function, so string arguments. Here I'm going to create the one object, so bank B. So I'm going to create the object, keep remember. So bank B, so bank is the interface name, and then new of SBI. So whenever we cannot create the object from one interface to another interface, it's a different, slightly different. Okay, so bank B object name should be new of SBI. So SBI. Okay, so here I'm going to print the value of rate of interest equal to whatever interface is given under the SBI interface, that is going to be printed here. Okay, so we cannot actually, this thing will be present. So bank B equal to new of bank should be there, but here whenever you go for the interface, we use the bank B equal to new of SBI, or else I can, instead of SBI I can make it as a PNB. So PNB also possible. If it is PNB means the rate of interest, corresponding rate of interest will be the 9.7. Okay. So actually in unit 1 itself we asked the one question. So whether the multiple inheritance is supported in Java or not. Okay. So it is possible by using interface. Okay. Let us see one example. So multiple inheritance is not supported through the Java through class in Java, but it is possible by an interface. By, let us see one example program. So here the interface name is the printable. Okay, so inside the interface I'm having one method name as the print. Okay, in next interface I given as next interface the showable. So void show. Okay, so there are two interfaces I have created. So inside the two interfaces I have the two different methods. One is the print and one is the show. Okay, now I am going to implement this thing by using the class. So class E7 implements. So implements by using the interface printable comma showable. So whenever I'm going to use the inheritance method, instead of implements we are using the extends. We have to use the extends keyword. So only one interface, so only one class name is possible. So here we have created the two interface. By using two interface through the class, it can be accessible. The interfaces, not classes. Keep remember, not classes. By only the uh, interface only it is possible. Okay, so here as usual we had a void print, it is going to print the hello, and then void show it will print the welcome. And then this is the main function public static void main. So ES1 the class name equal to object will new of ES1. So object dot print and another method, object dot shows another method. So finally you will get the output as the hello and welcome. So this is the another example program, same thing, printable, showable only. The previous thing, previous same program it has been defined, but only thing is a class name only it is different. Okay, thank you.